What's up everyone, Eric here. So today we're going to be changing out this windshield and we're going to be going with this one. It's the shit. I'd have to look it up, but I'll put it somewhere in here. Let's see, can you see me? There it is. But yeah, so the problem was that during the Texas Mile, this might have been affecting me. Well, that one, maybe not covering enough wind, but this one should do that. And I can also see through it, where this one is pretty freaking dark. So pretty simple, just a bunch of little Allen heads on both sides and it should come right out. So let me get started and I'll show you what it looks like. Well guys, that's it for today. Just the windshield, but tomorrow, because I'm losing daylight and the mosquitoes are messing me up. But we'll be installing this and we'll see how it goes. Then I'll take it for a ride. I'll make sure that you guys come with me and I'll give you guys a review. But please like, comment, subscribe. I think that's it. I don't remember what my outro usually is, but latest.